I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas chapter in Baby in Yellow. First, ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version available. This is crucial, as seasonal content often requires the most recent patch. Next, navigate to the main menu. You'll typically find a chapters or episodes section there. The Christmas chapter is usually presented as a special, limited-time event within this selection. Once you are on the chapter selection screen, carefully look for a distinct icon or label that clearly indicates the Christmas chapter. It might feature festive imagery like snowflakes or presents. In many cases, this chapter will be automatically unlocked for you to play. Simply click or tap on it to begin your festive, spooky adventure with the baby. No complex actions are usually required. Upon entering the Christmas chapter, you will immediately notice the unique festive decorations and items scattered throughout the environment. Expect new, holiday-themed objectives that guide your progress. You'll need to interact with specific objects, perhaps even finding hidden presents or completing seasonal tasks, to advance the story. The atmosphere is designed to be both cheerful and unsettling, offering a fresh experience. If you encounter any difficulty finding the chapter, a quick restart of your game or device can often resolve the issue. It's also a good idea to check the game's official social media channels or forums for any announcements or community guides. Finally, ensure your device has at least 100 megabytes of free storage space, as updates and new content can sometimes require additional room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.